Replacing the suspension rods on a Samsung washer, like the Wa50r5400av model, is straightforward if you follow the steps. Washer suspension failures are common and can disrupt daily laundry routines, often leading to unbalanced loads or excessive shaking. First, you'll want to unplug the washer. It's a 10-second habit that prevents you from accidentally shocking yourself. Trust me, no one wants their weekend DIY project to involve a hospital visit. Basic safety is undervalued. Next, remove the top panel of your washer. For Samsung models, this typically involves removing 2 screws at the back and sliding the panel upwards. A flathead screwdriver can come in handy here. Keep those screws safe, they're easy to lose. Once the top panel is exposed, locate the 4 suspension rods. They look like long metal sticks with springs that hold the drum in place. They're strategic and absorb vibrations during cycles, but they wear out over time. Start by removing the front left rod. Lift the suspension rod slightly to unhook it from the top retaining clip. Then remove it from the bottom socket. Don't yank it. The design is meant to be smooth for easy replacement. Now install the new suspension rod in the same spot. Push the bottom end into its socket, ensuring it locks into place. Then secure the top end with the retaining clip. It takes less than 2 minutes per rod once you get the hang of it. Move to the other 3 rods. Repeat the process for each one. Don't skip replacing all 4, even if only one seems worn. Mixing old and new rods throws off the balance and can cause more problems. Before reinstalling the top panel, give the drum a test shake. It should feel stable and bounce slightly, but return to center quickly. If it wobbles excessively, double-check the rod placement. Misalignment is a frequent DIY mistake. Now, reattach the top panel of your washer by sliding it back into place and tightening the screws. That tactile click lets you know you've seated it correctly. A loose panel will rattle during spin cycles. Plug your washer back in and run a small test load. Use something basic like a few towels or sheets. Watch for wobbling or spinning errors, issues that often point to improper rod installation. Samsung washers, especially the Wa50r5400av, last longer when maintained. Suspension rods typically fail around the 5 to 7 year mark, depending on usage. Spending $30 to $50 on parts now saves you from a $600 replacement later. The trickiest part of this job is often the fear of messing up. But trust me, this is a doable repair for most people. It's one of those tasks that seems intimidating until you've done it once. Then, you'll wonder why it felt so daunting. Pro tip: take photos of your washer's interior before disassembling anything. It's a lifesaver if you forget rod placements or orientations. It's one extra step that turns a stressful moment into a reassuring one.